When SO2 is passed through solution of H2S in water, when SO2 is passed through solution of H2S in water, it will form H2O plus S. Here sulfur oxidation state is +4, here it is minus to 0. +4 to 0 is gain of electrons, so it is reduction. So SO2 is undergoing reduction. Here -2 to 0 is loss of electrons, it is oxidation. So SO2 is undergoing reduction means it is acting as oxidizing agent. So in this reaction SO2 oxidizes H2S to sulfur. SO2 is undergoing reduction. So for the given question, when SO2 is passed through a solution of H2S in water, SO2 is reduced. Option C.